Hi guys, may intro akong ginawa. Promise. Teka, ipopost ko. Tingnan nyo. Naano ko yung isa, tas ito naman yung isa. Comment kung anong kung anong pipiliin kong intro. So, comment what do you think of each. Baka hindi kasi maintindihan ng iba. Guys, kung Pilipino kayo, maiintindihan nyo to. And now guys, comment what do you think. And please guys, subscribe. I only have 9 subscribers. And I'm trying to have subscribers. I just joined a long time ago. I promise.